What is a good serve in table tennis? What is the real purpose of a serve? This is a very good question that every player should understand, because a serve or service is one of the most important shots in table tennis. It is the only shot that you have full 100% control over it. In this video, you will learn the 4 factors of a good serve in table tennis. But first of all, we will estimate how many types of serve in table tennis. There is a lot of types of serve in table tennis. Today I want to show you a wonderful demonstration, 49 ways to serve in table tennis, performed by Coach Ferenc Horváth, the head coach of Paragon Table Tennis. Paragon Table Tennis is a Cambridge-based club providing coaching for players in England. A player asked me what prevents professional table tennis player from always serving on the edge of the table. It is a very good question, as in theory, top players can practice serving at the edge of the table or serve to the net. It is not impossible. For example, in this case, Wang Lijin has served 5 times in a row that the ball touches the net. But if you ask the same questions, maybe you don't understand the purpose of a serve in table tennis. As you know, there are two types of serve based on purpose in table tennis. First, set up serve. Its purpose is to set up for the next attack. Second, a serve. Its purpose is to win the point directly. Due to the new trend, becomes harder and harder to win by an A serve now. Serving purpose in table tennis. Most of us amateur players think that serving to the edge is strong, so that pro can learn and try to serve to the edge, so they don't understand what you need to do in the serve. A good serve must have these four factors. 1. Predictable or not. 2. Give advantage for the next shot or not. 3. Deceptive or not. And number 4. Safe and consistent. Serving to the edge doesn't have any of these purposes. Serving to the edge is so predictable, so it is a weak serve. Serving to the net is to try to win directly, no advantage for you for the next shot. Serving to the edge is not deceptive because the opponent can get the placement and no spin deception. Serving to the edge is not safe and not consistent. No one can assure 100% of success. That is why professional players never train to do that. Serving to the edge is very weak, easy to predict, and also risky, less consistent. So you need to learn the purpose of your serve. Learn to add spin to control the placement, think about the setup serve. Also try to add deceptive spin or speed in your serve.